Ever wondered why some gardens just seem to thrive effortlessly, while others take endless work for half the results? The truth is, the best gardeners don't just have a green thumb, they know the right hacks. And today you're about to learn them too. These are 15 gardening hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Clever, time-saving and game-changing tricks that'll make your plants healthier, your garden more beautiful, and your work 10 times easier. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, where we bring you simple practical tips to help you grow smarter every season. If you love gardening, nature, and transforming ordinary spaces into lush green sanctuaries, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and tap the bell icon so you never miss any of our weekly gardening wisdom. Now let's jump straight into hack number 1. You'll wonder how you ever garden without it. Hack number 1. Cinnamon power against mold and pests. Cinnamon isn't just for your kitchen. It's one of the most powerful natural tools you can use in your garden. A light sprinkle of cinnamon on the soil around seedlings or freshly cut stems can stop fungus, mold, and even those pesky fungus gnats from attacking. It works like nature's own antifungal shield, keeping your plants healthy during their most vulnerable stages of growth. What makes this hack so incredible is that it not only protects your plants, but also helps them root faster. When you dip your cuttings in a bit of cinnamon before planting, it encourages new root growth, while keeping bacteria at bay. It's safe, organic, and completely free of chemicals. Just one household spice, and suddenly your garden becomes stronger, fresher, and far less prone to disease. Hack number 2. Crushed eggshell boost for blossoms. Don't toss those eggshells after breakfast. They're a goldmine for your garden. When you crush them finely and mix them into your soil, you're giving your plants a steady, slow-release source of calcium. This mineral is vital for building strong cell walls, which means healthier leaves, sturdier stems, and fruits that grow without blemishes. Plants like tomatoes, peppers, and roses absolutely thrive when they have enough calcium in the soil. But the real beauty of this hack is how sustainable it is. You're turning everyday kitchen waste into natural plant food. No store-bought fertilizer needed. Simply rinse, dry, crush, and scatter the shells around your plants, or work them gently into the top layer of soil. Over time they'll break down and enrich your garden from the roots up, helping blossoms last longer and fruits develop without cracking or rot. Hack number 3. Wooden spoon soil aeration trick. If your soil feels hard and compacted, your plants might be struggling to breathe. A simple wooden spoon can fix that. Use the handle to poke gentle holes around your plants, loosening the soil without disturbing the roots. This small act allows oxygen, water, and nutrients to reach deep into the root zone, helping plants grow stronger and healthier. It's especially useful for potted plants, where compacted soil can quickly stunt growth. This hack is quiet magic. It gives your plants fresh air and room to expand without heavy tools or messy digging. Do it once every few weeks, and watch your garden come alive again. The wooden handle slips easily into the soil, improving airflow, boosting microbial activity, and making your plants visibly happier within days. It's one of those simple, low-effort tricks that every gardener should have up their sleeve. Hack number 4. Baking soda for healthier, sweeter tomatoes. A simple sprinkle of baking soda around the base of your tomato plants can completely transform your harvest. Baking soda helps reduce soil acidity slightly, creating a more balanced environment where tomato plants thrive. The result: sweeter, juicier tomatoes with richer flavor and fewer issues with diseases caused by overly acidic soil. This hack works best when used lightly and consistently. About a teaspoon per plant, gently worked into the top layer of soil once every few weeks. It's an easy, inexpensive way to fine-tune your garden's chemistry and boost your yield naturally. With time you'll notice your plants producing smoother, tastier fruit, and your garden smelling like a Mediterranean summer. Sometimes a small dash of science is all your plants need to perform their best. Hack number 5. Straw mulch for cooler roots and happier soil. Straw mulch might just be one of the most underrated garden secrets. When you spread a layer of straw around your plants, it keeps the soil temperature stable and prevents moisture from evaporating too quickly. That means cooler roots during hot days, fewer weeds stealing your nutrients, and a garden that practically takes care of itself. What makes straw so special is how naturally it blends into your garden ecosystem. Unlike synthetic mulches, straw breaks down over time, enriching the soil with organic matter and feeding beneficial microbes. It's perfect for vegetable gardens, raised beds, or even flower borders. The result is rich, crumbly soil that holds water beautifully and supports healthy, vigorous growth. A simple handful of straw can save you hours of weeding and watering, while giving your garden that rustic, well-tended charm. Hack number 6. Banana peel fertilizer for thriving blooms. Banana peels are more than kitchen scraps. They're one of nature's richest sources of potassium and phosphorus, two nutrients that drive strong root development and vibrant flower production. Bury the peels a few inches deep near your plants, or chop them up and mix them into your compost pile. As they break down, they feed your plants naturally, helping them produce bigger, brighter, longer-lasting blooms. The magic of this hack is how gentle and balanced it is. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that can burn roots, banana peels release nutrients slowly, keeping your soil healthy and alive. Roses, flowering shrubs, and fruit-bearing plants love this natural boost. After a few weeks, you'll notice stronger stems, lusher leaves, and blooms that seem to glow with color. It's an effortless way to turn food waste into floral abundance. Hack number 7. Epsom salt for deep green growth. If your plants are looking dull or yellowish, they might be craving magnesium, and Epsom salt is the perfect fix. Mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt into a gallon of water and use it to water your plants once a month. The magnesium helps boost chlorophyll production, giving leaves that rich dark green color every gardener loves, while the sulfur strengthens overall plant health. This simple mineral mix is especially loved by roses, peppers and tomatoes, which tend to show dramatic improvements after just a few treatments. You can also sprinkle a small amount of dry Epsom salt around the base of your plants and water as usual. It's one of those old-fashioned hacks that works wonders without any fancy products. Just a bit of natural mineral magic that brings tired plants back to life. Hack number 8. Old towels as frost protectors. When cold nights sneak up unexpectedly, your garden doesn't have to suffer. Old towels, bed sheets, or light blankets can act as perfect frost protectors for tender plants. Simply drape them gently over your crops in the evening, making sure the fabric touches the ground to trap warmth rising from the soil. By morning, you'll find your plants fresh and unharmed, even after a chilly night. This hack works because it creates a mini thermal blanket effect, shielding plants from frostbite without suffocating them. It's a simple, cost-free solution that saves flowers, herbs, and young vegetables during unpredictable weather changes. Instead of rushing to buy frost covers or heaters, just repurpose what's already in your home. One quick cover-up, and your plants stay safe, warm, and ready to greet the next sunrise. Hack number 9. Aluminum foil to repel pests and boost light. A few pieces of aluminum foil can make a surprising difference in your garden. When placed shiny side up around the base of your plants, the foil reflects sunlight back onto the undersides of leaves. This helps boost light exposure for lower foliage and confuses pests like aphids, thrips, and white flies that rely on consistent light and shadow to find their targets. It's a clever, low-cost hack that not only deters insects but also enhances plant growth in shady corners or indoor setups. You can even tape small strips of foil to sticks and place them between rows to create moving reflections in the breeze, an extra layer of protection that keeps pests guessing. This simple trick makes your garden less inviting to unwanted visitors, while giving your plants a little extra sunshine from every direction. Hack number 10. Vinegar spray for natural weed control. When weeds start sneaking into your garden beds or pathways, reach for plain white vinegar instead of chemical herbicides. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle, then apply it directly to the leaves of unwanted weeds. The natural acidity in vinegar breaks down the weed's cell walls, causing it to dry out and die within a day or two. No toxins, no residue, and no harm to your soil. This hack works best on sunny days when the heat accelerates the process. Just be careful to target only the weeds, as vinegar can affect any plant it touches. It's a clean, eco-friendly solution that keeps your garden beds tidy and your soil chemistry balanced. A few sprays a week, and you'll have a neat thriving garden without ever touching synthetic weed killers. Hack number 11. Companion planting for natural balance. Companion planting is one of the oldest and smartest hacks in gardening. It's all about pairing plants that help each other thrive. For example, basil planted beside tomatoes enhances their flavor and keeps harmful insects away, while marigolds repel nematodes and aphids when grown near vegetables. Beans and corn grow beautifully together because beans fix nitrogen in the soil, which corn quickly absorbs for stronger stalks. This hack works like nature's teamwork system, plants supporting plants. It reduces the need for pesticides, improves pollination, and maximizes space and nutrients. Once you understand which companions benefit each other, your garden almost begins to manage itself. You'll see fewer pests, better yields, and a thriving ecosystem where every plant plays a role. It's not just a hack, it's gardening in harmony with nature's design. Hack number 12. Milk spray to prevent powdery mildew. Powdery mildew can turn lush green leaves into a white dusty mess, but milk is your secret weapon against it. Mix 1 part milk with 2 parts water in a spray bottle, then lightly mist it over affected or at-risk plants once a week. The natural enzymes and beneficial bacteria in milk help stop fungal spores from spreading, while also strengthening your plant's immune systems. What makes this hack brilliant is how gentle and safe it is. Unlike harsh fungicides, milk won't harm your soil, pollinators, or surrounding plants. It works wonders on cucumbers, zucchini, roses, and squash, plants most prone to mildew in humid weather. After a few weeks of regular use, you'll notice cleaner, healthier leaves and a garden that looks refreshed instead of defeated. It's simple science and pure nature working hand in hand. Hack number 13. Garden tool cleaning bucket. Keeping your tools clean and sharp doesn't just make gardening easier, it also keeps your plants healthier. A simple way to do it is by creating a garden tool cleaning bucket. Fill a medium-sized bucket with clean sand, then mix in a little linseed oil or mineral oil. After every use, dip your tools into the sand and give them a few twists. The sand scrubs away dirt and rust, while the oil coats the metal, preventing corrosion and keeping the edges sharp. This hack saves you time and extends the life of every trowel, pruner, and spade you own. It's quick, efficient, and far better than scrubbing tools after they've already started to rust. Plus, it helps prevent the spread of soil-borne diseases between plants by keeping your equipment clean. Place your bucket near your potting area or shed and make it part of your post-gardening routine. You'll always be ready for your next planting session with spotless, ready-to-use tools. Hack number 14. Use charcoal to keep soil fresh and healthy. Garden charcoal or even leftover pieces from natural wood charcoal, not briquettes, can work wonders in your soil. When mixed into potting soil or garden beds, charcoal improves drainage and prevents soil from becoming sour by balancing pH levels. It also absorbs toxins and excess moisture, reducing the risk of root rot and keeping your plant's root systems clean and well aerated. Think of it as a natural purifier that keeps your soil breathing freely. Over time, charcoal becomes a long-lasting soil conditioner, slowly releasing nutrients and supporting beneficial microbes that help plants grow stronger. You can crush small pieces and blend them into your compost or use them directly in pots and raised beds. This centuries-old trick was used in ancient Amazonian terra preta soils, which remain fertile even today. A handful of charcoal is all it takes to make your soil richer, cleaner, and more resilient season after season. Hack number 15. Use cornmeal to prevent fungal problems naturally. Cornmeal isn't just for cooking, it's a secret antifungal weapon in the garden. When sprinkled lightly around the base of your plants, it helps prevent common fungal issues like root rot, damping off, and leaf spot. The natural compounds in cornmeal encourage beneficial microbes that feed on harmful fungi, creating a healthier soil environment where disease struggles to take hold. It's safe, organic, and gentle enough for seedlings and established plants alike. This hack is especially effective in humid climates or during rainy seasons when fungal diseases spread quickly. Simply scatter a thin layer of cornmeal over damp soil or mix a handful into your compost pile to boost microbial balance. Over time, you'll notice fewer problems with mold and more vigorous plant growth. It's an all-natural chemical-free solution that keeps your garden's ecosystem thriving. Proof that sometimes the simplest ingredients deliver the most powerful results. And there you have it. 15 incredible gardening hacks that will transform the way you care for your garden forever. From natural pest repellents to clever ways to enrich your soil, these tips aren't just quick fixes, they're game changers that make your garden healthier, more productive, and more beautiful with minimal effort. Each hack is designed to work with nature, not against it, giving you sustainable long-term results that keep your plants thriving season after season. Think about it. Your garden can now fight off pests with cinnamon and aluminum foil, prevent diseases with milk sprays and cornmeal, grow stronger with eggshells and banana peels, and stay lush and organized with straw mulch and companion planting, all without expensive chemicals or complicated tools. These hacks save you time, money, and energy, letting you spend more moments enjoying the beauty of your plants instead of stressing over problems that don't need to exist. And the best part, most of these hacks use things you already have at home. Everyday items, like baking soda, coffee grounds, old towels, or even wooden spoons become powerful tools when you know how to use them correctly. Your kitchen and garden are no longer separate. They're partners in helping your plants thrive. It's simple, sustainable, and incredibly rewarding. If you implement even a few of these hacks, you'll start noticing big differences in plant health, growth, and overall garden vitality within weeks. Imagine stepping into your garden each morning and seeing vibrant tomatoes, lush green foliage, healthy blooms, and fewer pests or diseases to worry about. These aren't just small improvements, they're the kinds of transformations that make gardening a joy, rather than a chore. I want you to take a moment and pick just one of these hacks to try first. Start small, see the results, and then gradually incorporate more. Gardening is a journey, and every little improvement compounds over time to create a thriving, almost effortless garden. Share your results in the comments. I'd love to hear which hacks work best for you, and any creative twists you came up with. If you found these hacks helpful, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. Share it with your gardening friends, and of course subscribe to Timeless Gardening if you haven't already. By subscribing and turning on notifications, you'll get weekly tips, hacks, and inspiration straight to your feed, so your garden can continue to grow smarter, stronger, and more beautiful every season. Remember, gardening isn't about doing more work, it's about working smarter, learning from nature, and letting your plants thrive in the healthiest way possible. Use these hacks, experiment, and watch your garden flourish like never before. Thank you for spending time with me today, and here's to a season full of growth, beauty, and endless gardening joy. Keep growing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying every moment in your timeless garden.